So if you ask yourself the question, how would a human mission to the moons of Mars prepare us for a mission to Mars? I think the answer is quite straightforward. By going to Phobos and Deimos, we will be at the gates of Mars. The humans to Mars ball will be rolling. We will be on our journey going to Mars at that point. We won't be touching the surface of Mars at first quite yet, but we will be making the round trips, going to Mars orbit, making sure we do this well, reliably. We will be accumulating assets in Mars orbit. And from there, we will really be in a strategic position to explore Mars very well. There's also the dimension of being able to explore Mars by respecting Mars itself, by, first of all, understanding the planet on a global scale before we go there, but also to make human missions happen only to those places that we feel require humans to be present to explore the place. So there's this notion that we might be operating robotic assets at the surface of Mars from Phobos, for example. So we would use Phobos almost as a space station. And that way we keep Mars clean. We're not contaminating Mars. We might have the ability to even explore places that have a high potential for life by robotic systems. But we would be able to operate these robots without the time delay because we're very close to Mars. So that's one possible aspect or one possible advantage of being on Phobos. But it's not the main reason. The main reason for being at Phobos and Deimos is that we would be undertaking journeys to Mars. It's the first step, and after that, getting to the surface will be just an extra step beyond that. And I think this way we will phase the cost. We will be able to have a reasonable plan of exploration of Mars that stretches over time a bit with some exciting milestones, the first of which would be to go to the moons of Mars.